Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuyamba na mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuyamba.
Mimi kitu na wasii chua kwamba wewe ni kiongozi kwako, uwe mama, uwe mzee, uwe kijana ambaye uko na nyumba yako. Kitu nataka ufanye kuwa na heshima kubwa sana. Ukitoka kwako chua kwamba neno naenda kuongea kwa wananchi wenzako ni jambo la busara ambaye linajenga Kenya yetu. Chua kwamba tuko na viongozi ambaye ni wakubwa wetu wakiongozwa na DC wetu hapa, Mr. William. Hao kuanzia machifu mpaka kiwango nimesema, tafadhali toa heshima yako, heshima ile ya kudumu, na usiogope kufika karibu nao, kwa maana wako hapo kwa ajili yetu. Akina mama msikie sana, nyinyi ndio naona mkikuja ofisi mnaanza kuogopa, ile ofisi ni yenu. Hawa ndio wanatutumikia, lazima tuwe pamoja nao.
The biggest concern is kuna malalamishi mingi kule ofisini na most of the people amheshimu miti ya wenzenu. So most of the complaints zenye zinakuja kwa ofisi ni trees planted along the boundaries. Unapata kwamba mtu anakata miti ya mwenzake. I just want to encourage you to respect other people's property. Our current aim is to plant more trees in Kisii, and in order to do this, I want to encourage most institutions, and our target right now are farmlands and institutions. Help us allocate areas where we can plant more trees. And in order to attain the presidential directive of planting 15 billion trees by the year 2032, let us work all together, assist us allocate sites where we can plant.
na Kisii Deaf Orphanage mnenjira ya mwe usanga na wale batarikunya rusina wa beskuru eyo munagotupanya muri kito Daniel Montire.
Abuna amatuka kwenye gusuka bosio bwemega yesuguku no mwako moya abo watani au nigo barabo barase chimbero asoko eneke buna kero yomo onyolire yesuguku ngiya na babongega na borokigwa na borokia kurwa seskuru yoko ena na megilio yobonyegitari ya Kenya Medical Training College KMTC asoro sagia rwa Kisii abo emambia lero basibesa bali wika sensemo ya mesisita meariana hase bunge ya Bonchari hase kaunti ya Kisii hase basira enka ya Kisii Deaf Orphanage yebwata bana balia batabwati bayiboli boigo bale no bolema au na muno bulia bugutaigwa
twabareteire ebituma chingende amachere kitishu amafuta kikaramu chianga chisabuni twaranga dia tobarete area Christmas mapema na barabu benchoi ekora gato chwencho inkaria na barabu banya wenchoi area
Gukwana chingaki echo abateneri babo nigo bamenta buna esukuru iga nkobwatekana na magani abo ao noko bansi hase ebirengo ao boigo na igo kugania nkororo gukubasira niga munencheremo yokoro kyobwanchani na gusanga nabalia batabwati
chimatwe mbatakeire binte bingana no kuragera in fact buna twachaga iga nabo koranga gendo ngeri bari ko lunch
tali buna nigo bwate binge.
As we are in Christmas mode, it's good to share. We don't have that much, but with the heart and the collections from the school and our fellow students, today we decided to share whatever we had collected.
Asense mwende ni gubarwese geto hocha sabo bwatani au kwene kibuna bagendere gusira chinka chi abana batabwati abayibuli Manyanchiria chi abana balia abale no bolema au elina barabo beigwe wanchua konyora ekibakolia ekibakonywa ekibakobeka na sibakorara na mono chinga kichiga cyo gukoro mwaka.
These children, most of the time, they don't have medical attention. So by these, as a medical student, so we decided like we should visit them in case we get some of them who have problems. We go and decide on what to do so that we get to know how to make them have that medical services. They reach to that medical services. They have had time, but I see they are struggling to make it all through.
I'm urging all the leaders, the local leaders, even the international community, if you can come and share with these children, also the NGOs, wherever you are watching us from, wherever you are hearing this voice, we are humbly requesting that you come here so that you can share with them.
Thank you very much for coming here to visit the school since last year and supporting these orphan children. He is very much happy for remembering this school, and you try to remember this school because it's for orphan children. He is praying for you.
Nkuributhirigita seni kia gatembe kureiga se county ya Kisii leterane nguruku Daniel Untiri.
Na wego litukurigoro nigo muyigo nyatuka bakwarigana gwa gucengera omo koreri bumorokia omukoro Alifayo Ngwaye asanya tuka gutokigwa asemeri maberga okorimiya chinga kiarengoge koba arengo mwalimu asaba sani abairi na wego aba bwatani baye gusya mate yanyata gukomerana na konyara kaba bakumukwanira chinga ki arenge koba gose chinga ki na gukona chinga ki arenge amorokia se skuru borosia sengera amoneli ya nyaisa gatie chinde chinyinge ase chinsemecho
abana bya abandi barure kona ruguru mwana mari ase mwarwe n'abachukuru bari barororo yakima mwana reira mabira mwana reira abanda mabira nagiye ko gere kero bakumbuakire renta tukubwate sie njabodra mumenyera tego naenda mangana ya abana bahiga abayiga dabwo igongo ndagotara ngai bari mbono kwacha siri mirongebere banongora ko ninda ko aya na uchirero mwandende na bongendre ta komenya senge chenga bunere
dera ko mugakoyo tali 1+1 igo nare ko bokaridia so wisitebora echanyu amene oparaki amene tachi tinjaro school igo nare ko bokabuna ikobe na amenya korenga bitimbu ati simi naika Mbatiesi na muganya marawa na manyanga na yete yara kuboka botuko daibu na lero to bwate kisimi ku muri nkuai wana ali ko ganyanga na ika usi ntera iteru kera kuboka botuko lakini lende ni na kera ne gasia yare boko.
Really appreciate because of the good support from our teachers, where my father was one of them. He was very strict. And even where we have been working in the university today, you can nearly find me, ile mutindo vile Ronald amesema, vile Nduka amesema, I've gone to his school. He's a very strict teacher. I've gone to Roslyn school, a very strict teacher. All because of the good information we were given when we were at our earlier stage, and we were able to learn from our teachers.
Mwalimu Ongwae na ansomete 46 years ago. Mwalimu olengo muya olenga gotosomi olenga objective atosometie abantu twalenga abange sana kurwa bukuru nyamale tukaenda abandi bakaenda various schools and many of them are successful. Again tondanya kwiriria baminto nekemo abantu baminto kere mwasomiwa bana baminto na tole gotokora cigasi town ya tole everywhere okonyora na abantu abange nembenyo tunana baiguri banyorite abantu babakonyete. Again tondabanya ko basuguma baminto kerina moteme kuro muntu nyasaye ka bakonyira sa gwikiri tema koiranirio koirania goko mai
kutwalenga mura bata lakini batatu barabari ina arfaya na inche mumwaka na rusa bali baga isaya na agenda function yetu wakati ya sibon nayo kutulilia baswati mera gaswa saba akali nyamale akali gali gereria naenda akatukiamia baswati tukamama skania na mabwa arwaye kuna agenda busungu ka kuna goseri kunjiringwa tetatu amanaro arwaye rema mumwa kwikuri nandi esenki maito chikuranda iki byase byo tukashikumi ngisa idifisi ngajinganyoro muiri akange form yugwali idikale form ya kutumwe district to jango seisana form nga echuchuri nando jayere tukaito isaranga bato nkenori na isai nakitoko ayata naro na hindi kutakuchuri arwaye churi gente kare churi kayira busuru daw muy diurion akambul na bokuru ya na mita ko solera nero arwayo succeeded by getting a chance in silver akaenda silver ngetiga obosani bwange jukyo oborwairo obatambuke bwo
so ya eteri yamara sana Gama tebte truth honor tingo genda genis na bantu bando na ono museu na kwalengera likuwa na mangana maye na ya igwa kwana ekero kwa dentro bo komtebya abantu bamintu mugura ni nturu gutara tutabwa zero ayabawa na libuna ka koba zero uyonera toro kukoma kome kanise in the church one of the standards men the first church elders no yone atokuna kusikisa kana abantu baroro na otokuna bateba ni atwanyora ketwana kenya saba sini ko transkezo motori to
na omokonyi gumurai wenze omusike professor Pramwithra Kindiki litukuligoro ndiganyata kwa kwanikanya bakenya una niga serikali kenda weka emirobali wikiranu yokanikia buna bugima bwa bakenya ngo kina bole na boigo uchumi ya Kenya kukinere musike Kindiki nigale ukwana igachinza maya Turkana so ganyata kwa kwanikia una nigo emirimo guchkwenda gutoka guchesa basaye gwetrase emirobali yubugachi nyumba chieli goliri ke go affordable housing na boigo okanya bolwa chiga sigo semirimo ase chinse chia isiko.
Want to sustain the peace and stability in North Rift and other parts of our country that had serious problems occasioned by bandit attacks. Hili tusonge mbele kwa hiyo namna ambayo tumesema. Ni lazima tudumishe umoja wa taifa la Kenya. Nimefurahia kusikia kwamba hapa Lodwar kuna watu kutoka sehemu mbalimbali katika taifa la Kenya wanatafuta riziki hapa na wanaishi kwa amani na watu ya jamii ya Turkana. Tumeanza kutafuta ajira hapa Kenya na kutafuta pia ajira katika nchi zingine kwa vijana wetu ambao wangetaka kusafiri. Hapa Kenya tuko na program ya affordable housing. Hapa Kenya kuna ile program mmesema turudishe na tumeshaanza kurudisha. It's only that tulianza na Nairobi County, tulianza na ile inaitwa Climate Works ya kusafisha Nairobi River. We have employed 20,000 young people and we are going to restore and expand the Climate Works program ambaye ni ya kutafutia vijana hawa ambao wanafanya kazi za kutengeneza barabara, kutoa madrainages, kupanda miti, kurejesha mazingira. That program is going to be rolled out in the new year in all the 47 counties of the Republic of Kenya. Serikali imejaribu iwezavyo. Sasa hivi ile dola ambayo ilikuwa shilingi 170 2022 imeteremuka, sasa hivi ni 127, 128, 129. Ile bei ya mafuta ya petroli ambayo ilikuwa inafanya nauli ziwe zinapanda kila siku, na vifaa vya ambao vinaundwa katika industry viwe ghali. Bei ya mafuta imeshuka kutoka 217 per liter, sasa hivi iko about 160 ama 170. Hata jana imeshuka kwa shilingi 4 kwa lita, na kila mwezi inaendelea ikiteremka. Kweli si kweli? It keeps on decreasing. Interest rates ya loans zimekuwa inateremka from as high as 15.7%. Right now it is about 11.25%. Vile Mheshimiwa Rais amechukua usukani nchi miaka miwili imepita, kumekuwa na mambo mengi ya kiuchumi ambayo yalisababishwa na sehemu na masuala yetu, na sana sana masuala ya ambayo ni nje ya nchi, masuala ya kutoka nje ya nchi. Kulikuwa na kufungwa kwa uchumi kwa karibu miaka miwili kwa sababu ya ugonjwa wa COVID, na ile kufungwa kwa 2020-2021 mpaka almost 2022, when the economy was shut down completely. We were locked up in our homes for more than a year, almost 2 years. The consequences of economic inactivity for almost 2 years made it very difficult at the time when President Ruto was taking over leadership. Na ndio uliona wakati amechukua usukani, dola, shilingi ya Kenya ilikuwa dhaifu. Mambo ya vyakula muhimu kama unga ilikuwa inaongezeka kila siku. Bei ya mafuta ya petroli ilikuwa inaongezeka kila siku. Na kwa mwananchi wa kawaida, haya mambo yanahusika na uchumi wa mwananchi wa kawaida, kwa sababu shilingi ya Kenya ikiwa dhaifu, wale watu wananunua bidhaa kutoka nchi za ng'ambo kuuzia watu wetu hapa Lodwar Town, wanatumia shilingi ya Kenya, wanaibadilisha kwa dola, na shilingi ikiwa dhaifu watatumia pesa nyingi zaidi kuleta container moja.
na nigo omurai bwense omusikabiri Ruto abolia Bakenya koraria omulembe mutukonsi asiboiga amachiria nsemo yabarai nabo igo Bakenya asokomereria emerogori ya serikali ase kera chingaki musikabitoni gale ukwana iga chinsemo chete tabeta kera anyara kobaga kubolia Abakenya komwali baga igo nyara kobaga kobanekaria amagendera korengana munanya tukobaga kubolira eira.
Barabara zetu tumezipangia vizuri. Mpango yetu ya social health ama Taifa Care inasonga vizuri. Mpango yetu ya affordable housing imeshika kasi. Mpango yetu ya masoko inaendelea vizuri. And I am confident we are going to transform our country. We are going to change Kenya, and we will shame the devil. Niko na imani hii nchi tutaibadilisha. Mipango yote tuliyopanga tumeweka mbele ya Mungu. Mpango yetu ya kuzalisha chakula, tumeona bei ya vyakula imeanza kurudi chini. Mpango yetu ya kuhakikisha kwamba cost of living imeteremka chini, bei ya mafuta imeteremka chini. Hata leo kwa shilingi 4 bei ya mafuta imekuja chini. Mpango yetu ya kusambaza stima Kenya mzima inaendelea kwa kasi. Hapa Taveta kampuni 15 zinaendelea na hiyo kazi. Nia yangu vile nimesema ni kufikisha stima kwa manyumba ya Wakenya 1700 by 2027. Mpango yetu ya kuzalisha ajira kwa vijana wetu imeshika moto, inasonga mbele. Hata wiki hii vijana 300 wamepata wamepata ajira, wamepanda ndege kwenda ng'ambo. Hii wiki miezi miwili imepita, vijana 12,000 wamepanda ndege kufanya kazi. Vijana 1,000 wanafanya kazi katika mipango yetu ya kujenga masoko, affordable housing, tukisonga mbele. Mwezi huu wa 12 tunaajiri walimu wengine 20,000. Hiyo kazi yote inaendelea. Na mimi nataka niwaambie Wakenya, msikubali fitina na porojo na propaganda za watu ambao kwa chuki hawataki Kenya isonge mbele. Na mimi nataka niwaambie Kenya itafaulu. This country is going to be great. We are going to transform this nation. Injili ya shetani ati Kenya itarudi nyuma, ati Kenya itapotea, hiyo injili ya shetani haiwezi kufaulu. Sisi tunamuomba Mungu jamani. So Kenya is going to go places. I sympathize with the naysayers. I sympathize with the negative people. Wale katika mipango yao, katika dhamira zao, wanataka nchi yetu ianguke. Nchi ya Kenya haiwezi kuanguka. Nchi ya Kenya let us stop the spirit of negativity in our country. We cannot build this nation on falsehood, on fake news, on disinformation, on propaganda. You cannot hate your country so much to the extent that you want it to fail. I want to tell the people of Kenya, this country is going to succeed. And we will shame the agents and the prophets of doom. We are going to succeed as a nation. Kenya hii itafaulu. So, asante sana Pastor Samora kwa kutunenea neno la Mungu in a very powerful way. Na mimi nataka kwamba ile ndoto Mungu ameweka kati yetu ya taifa letu la Kenya haliwezi kudunishwa, haiwezi kuzimwa. Hiyo ndoto itafaulu na nchi yetu itafaulu.
Na nilitukoligoro nigolia rengeri tukorio mugoko gochia ase batiotereriwe timu yengo yo ya Shabana ibe kogosoria ase kosese kwibimena bya Kenya Premier League ase anyatuka bagego ikora timu elia ya KCP chigoli ibere ase busa achigoli tendele kwa chikonyotwa na Brian Michira dakika ya 29 na boigo Augustine Odongo dakika ya 29 asibono timu ya Shabana yabereye akoribye na goika ase namba ya 5 ase MS rigose ase etepo mnabagoteba etepo ya Kenya Premier League.
Etimu ya Shabana eyo gwakira chinko cha Chiangaimege tikia Gusii Stadium nigo lituko ya lero ya ikore timu ya KCB chigoli bera seligana ali Sagero nigo banyolera igoli ntangani kurwa somogosoria Brian Michira ase dakika ya 29 negoli ya kabere nigo ya chakurwa somogosoria Austin Odongo oyibo igo ya lengentunda entangani ko yagosereria etimu ya Shabana FC nigo egoli yo ya cha ekero gitinga kichiri cha nyara ko ba chikomentwa maga yagosoli goika chidaika emerongo kianda nigo boigo mokocha bwe timu ya Shabana FC Peter Okidi aho kiwana gokolia bya bwe timu ya asate banigo balene kerenga kiugo cha koimukia obonyangongo bwa mamerania.
Kwa majina ni naitwa Peter Okidi. Nasema tunashukuru Mungu kwa ushindi, tunashukuru Mungu kwa mchezo mzuri. So just go back to the drawing board and work for the next game. Nashukuru, nasema hii ligi haina ule anaongoza ama ule iko chini. Ukiangalia ligi is very competitive na sisi kama team ama any coach ambaye anataka kuchukua title, ukitaka kuchukua title lazima ule mtu wako juu yako pia unajaribu kumuondoa hapo juu. So tunaweza sema ni game plan nzuri, tumeplan vizuri na I think imetupatia results. So sisi ni each game at a time, as we humble ourselves, each game at a time, then I believe season ikiisha kila mtu atakuwa na smile.
Nigo boigo musubati omochole kurwa Minnesota Hulda Momanyi amono momnyoki egiata Mary Moraba ikirana segeti kia Gusii Stadium ase boigo musubati Hulda Momanyi anyara kobaga korokyo kogokibwa gochia timu ya Shabana ase kegima yanyara kobaga koita timu yuera ite ase mesa ya mameranyo a KPL. Nigo boigo anyara kobaga gukwana abune timu ya Shabana nigeganiri obokonyi elianne mono konyara kobaga kogendra okolya bya ase
Great state of Minnesota, and I am here in Gusii Land in Gusii Stadium to really celebrate with Shabana, one of the best clubs in Kenya, actually in the world. Just gonna put it out there, and really support these young guys. They had already scored. I was like, okay, but then at the end there, the last couple of seconds when they scored, it solidifies why they're on top of the bracket right now. Super excited about looking into a couple of partnership programs. Maybe there can be an exchange program between the club over there and Shabana. Sindio? So that way they can exchange knowledge, they can exchange training tips, they can exchange coaching tips as well. But also, we want to make sure that this team is equipped, right? If we want them to stay at the top, we want to be able to give them enough equipment. We want to make sure that the players feel like they're valued by making sure that they're getting paid what they are worth and the work they're putting in. And then also make sure that the coaches have the resources to be able to, continue coaching this team to maintain that top seat.
Nechinkoyo chinde boigo nigo chianyara ko bachiko gosori wase weekend iga na sama merania ya FKF Kenya Premier League nigo timu ya Kakamega Homeboys ya kote gosori ya ene timu Ulinzi Stars ritkolego na makalia ya Masemo timu ya Nairobi City Stars nerega kore gosori ya makalia ya Masemo ne timu ya FC Talanta marashuga kai kore timu ya Kariobangi Sharks gole ya Maseringa na Lisagero Police ga kore gosori ya gole ya Maseringa na Lisagero ne timu ya Gor Mahia na boiga timu ya Murang'a nigo ya kore timu ya Posta Rangers gole ya Maseringa na Lisagero FC Leopards ya yetringana se timu ya Sofapaka egole ya Maseringa na Lisagero nabo iga timu ya Bandari ya kore gosoria ya makalia ibere ya seibere ni timu ya Mathare United. Timu ya KCB ne timu etang'aina semesa ya mamerano ya FKF Kenya Premier League nabo iga timu ya Shabana nigo enyora libagali gusiko gwika libagali ya gatano asebona iga timu ya KCB babwete ne point ne choka ase timu ya KCB bwate point emerongo ebere na inya ase timu ya Shabana ibwate point emerongo ebere ginko reporteria egeteseni kya Getembe cheni gonkoro kwa Morin Siang
Manjumu rigeria na baigo gokonera tu igoro na linga timu ya Manchester United na nanya ndiko kwa timu ya Manchester City chigoli birasa yamo Oigo timu ya Chelsea na kanya kawai kwenye kora timu ya Brentford chigoli bere asa yamo chingaki lituko liare ko ugatuko tutuko na musi timu ya Liverpool ya chigoli otumakali chigoli bere asa na timu ya Fulham timu ya Arsenal era kanya kawa gekorwa egoli wasichigoli gekorwa makali iyo gotanyonsania chigoli amuna timu ya Everton timu ya Nottingham Forest kanya kawai kora timu ya Aston Villa chigoli bere asa yamo ase chitimu chichenya tokwa chigo chiesa gosichigo gosoria weekend iga wigira bwe tokwenda mutumo komokego tokwera na tanyara kwa tokwira na riari aire libaga ase ense moya mugasete na boigo ase ense miliende tubate abageni auto gochukanya kwa tokwana barabu igoro ya bana ekarbareka erusiga tunyarengero se abere ntambe tigima na abono kuchire goika omwelio kolende amatuka ya tigarete tarimake igo abana na obagwente kurigere go musobora kuna teenagers jinga kibarenga
Etuka yo womo ya Uhuru Superstores iye gutuke milulu chubu songo egekonya ebintu ao aseli kulibigo kona n'umubuko nkonya bale ebintu by'obwagachi buna bono amabati kurwasi chi company ao emesumali y'echingenjo chonsi chichuma cy'obwagachi c'echingenjo chonsi chiwaya buna bono binding wires chiwilbaro chisimiti cy'obwagachi kurwasi chi company ao egati y'ebintu binde binge by'obwagachi mwigo mbabwa chi boards buna chiri cha MDF egati y'ebintu binde ebinge asinsemu y'ebintu by'enyumba nkonya bale chi mattress c'echingenjo chonsi nabige chiri chechi size ao mbabwata chitangi chechi size ao nkonya bale boigo ebintu byokulya buna bono amabuta y'echingeni kurwasi chi company ao amasi ya mandasi kurwasi chi company ao ayayokoruga chichumbi chisukali egati ebintu binde byobotumeki Oru Superstores igababwa tobo korelyo buya chingatoko bule bintu asetukeye mbabwate customer care ebyego segasigera chi customer buya chingaki bakogora ebintu igababwate chigali ekyo chigokora obusombi busapi chingake kwagulire ebintu biga uchande onsi aliasorabe igobagotoka ime yo muchobosongo ase nyumba ya JM Towers angene duka ya Safaricom ime yo muchokisi asamange bakere simgwetera sechi namba chabo 0111161500 gose 0111116150 gose wetera senambele 0111161502 Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ine nurigetie eskuru engia asumwano aranyole chisemi Prince Shiners Academy nero eskuru nigobabwate daycare all education go se nursery grade 1 go ika grade 3 ngo kinya bale ebyewa byabana nakubayigilia chigosoli ao gatiobu yabonde obonge eskuru ye nigo ekwena na obokoreri bwabosombi asi abana bonsi inyora aborokia nabange nabancheire ne wizara yejisemi chi interviews niko chigendere tekera lituko liye Jumatatu wika Ijumaa niko bagotoka asensemo ya Nyankongo chimita chimi ibere kurwa asensemo ya stejimiwa asamange bakiri esimi ase enamba enoti isano na ibere eyemo ibere enoti kianda isano na isato inye isano nemo gose enoti isano na ibere isano eyemo kianda enoti isano na isato enoti Prince Shiners Academy richibu lichisemi chingia.
Thank you for raising us.
Oyo Madam Director School ya Prince Shiners Royal Academy abaibol tigamba kerembu ya mono asogo trust na kuegena Prince Shiners mono asa masomo ya bana baino buna ncho moibori hando mwarimu na endo mo director nindoche aya abaibori bagwetera iskari igo moibori to basagutigo mwana abere isko asengenje school fees ayandetero mwana mbeko mwana kirasime ondorige school fees gendera koreta abana December yetera utararenta umwana ogo wacho ini Prince Shiners asengenje amabagatu bwate na make Prince Shiners Royal Academy ntore ready for 2025.
Tetracom Uniform Center neduka ekone uniform chichingencho au buna echichi skuro echenya gitale echubole ndigo se security echichi gosori echichi kwaya chire echichi kumban go se corporate uniforms tibweba imeya Tetracom Uniform Center boygo ngokorabale embroidery aseboygo bagokora printing na branding yechi t-shirt ninki oganyete minyoka bwango gwikumbulire uniform aserigolire inse asamange batalere asamagacho a Imperial ensemo ya Nyaro maiga ya Kisimata guse ubakire esimi ase enamba 0726 453 418 gose 0737081605 Tetracom Uniform Center Eduka Asich Uniform Chingia.
Boy Jua Kali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia chisovaset ebirogo bye chisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo cyo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo a kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber cyo koroseria ebirogo na boygo chips cyo korosia pillowcase ekyo ogorarira.
Gagi omwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorere mwapo ichi wakali hai bono chibesa nkwenda mpulingi go pulingi emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru emeito yo konyora bana chisare kwa razangu ra duniani kaki horoje paka nabwate paka ebintombire bakoro kachiferi veti chikorozi ebirogo biechikali hai kaki apa kusiba sipinga imore kaki imore hai inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari ninchu koja moye binto kuruga mwapo ichi wakali hili omuganga James Yonkoroko kaki
mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo byechigali nabo igo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetania bo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonya ne chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaibagotoka nigo bagotoka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kindi gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Jua Kali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
njempo Jua Kali Store na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na bariga ni mwesto
gagi genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba boli Jua Kali gagi egotoka alinsali taracha mbili gagi ligere libudango kuanete omusyo mubihili gagi nari goli kwa salense ebintu nago lire gagi Boy Jua Kali hai hili gagi hili ngogongonya musyo mubihili kulite bintu mlimamba
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge aha buno tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange
we call your prostate eno boruire bwa sunduira abagaka sana bwe sukari what you call the genesis of diabetes ngaki boruire bwe sukari bo so mobero goime hypertension no boruire kramanyinga kogenda igure so mobero World Fit itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa lya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngendo nga conventional medicine yani ubonyagitali obwa kawaida itosomete ngendo nga nutritional medicine na malioga aliakurwese endagera yaito ya kawaida kwa mfano we have ntupiko nga amino acids ntubwate fatty acids ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika bigo tumeka esoko lya marwaire nchirende yagata tosomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine tugutumia maliogo akurwese mete twarwalya marwaire igao muchito bosongo monene ntubwate clinic yaito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaisa wako ninyama kwalina iguru wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu erumu 307A ntubwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room
2. Walfit L Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii-Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2025 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, hygienic kitchen and dining area, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, skating, modeling, debates, scouts, and inspiring music programs with adequate training equipment. Our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2025 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729 658 659 for more information or to book an interview.
My name is Dila Musa. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. Welcome. My name is Kaden Zabangwed. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. I welcome you to our school where we learn and play.
Timiza School. Discover your best.
amasomo nanine obumanye nabuborairire omwana okogendera asa matuko ali busio ne aye omwibori kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana anyorera obumanye nanene w'ikikosi cy'amaboko murete Keroka Technical Training Institute elio aibunduze chikosi ao igaiga ntubwate chikosi bunabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6 igitumela asensema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yiga ya keti nigotobwate a modern library iyubwate bintu byonsi ibiragani bigotumeka ari nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya version design asetobwate chimashini chekerero inkoigeli ya bale boigo business studies na entrepreneurship ase chinsamo cha cosmetology nigotokwigeli ya beauty therapy miranga ase beauty therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi bwekerero unabono ya dressing pedicure manicure egati ubumanyi bonde obunge boigonto bwate kosi ya mechanical and automotive engineering agirira muretu mwanu anyorere ubumanyi bwiga egekogera intake ya January nigo egendrete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munenu skuru asomo chokeroka
Jenkefa Nyakinyanya Mugaka ninche registrar aigase college ite ya Keroka Technical Training Institute Keroka ntubwate chikosi kia kisasa ichuchiragere omwana anyole gase sobwango usaso kwerikana nase gase natari kwa service ase school fees ndasa gotanga kwansi ile bosa ase ngenje serikali gotwa what we call scholarship na wego na help loans egente ketanga ni mwana wika keroke to kumo konya oso ase program ya kusibisonyo to nyala to apply kubatakana no kwandika mwanafunzi wasuko mwana ne background yae igaso ogwanja ko ino abayibuli kumuranje tiganto tiga bana ababerenga tigataba to kasi school ete akeroka mureta so bwango ndo batana na accommodation inji bwango so that nyole mabagaya abana bagenda gusoma eli mbaje utakonya matukane mutu
asamange na bogwaka esibigwe transit number 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirana konyolera obumanye eri bwebekeri bagalirya asensiyiga yokwerwanirira Pink Premier Academy ne yamuye chiskuru cy'uburuso ekyo kikubeko buruso byeko cyasumwano ase okwanyolera egasomo ekyo kiramakonye asa matukale busyo ezukuru yiga yekutuka ase bare ya kisi kiogoro chinsemo kiri cyamenyingwa ebare kogenda chinsemo kiri cyamasongo igo ebwateli bagaligi yali nene asa bana bakokosoreria elyo kubugirana gukina chitalanta cyabo ebirasi byabo nebigale ebyobire ebiya nabibwata mazingira ayo akwirira abana gosoma buya ngosome bali kurwa playgroup PP1 and PP2 asbibo bagasome kurwa grade 1 weka grade 6 nabwo na junior secondary school nigo babwate science laboratory eyorengiya sabana bakolela amegelyo school yiga igo egwanchira umurubiri umuye w'amasomo OCBC asebwata bali mabuberuete abo bakwegerya abana buya ale n'amasomo nigo school yiga ekolera ebyegwa asebabwate music and drama efisi yabo ni gukwana n'irigori rya mubuko asibwe babwate mirubyo akorengana muno konyora gwici amate iri kwenekinga kiri umwana ngonyorale egesomo nigo bakuru bosombi ku cyase bali bare HD scholar asibwe bali barase boarding babwata mazingira mu yo gusoma in technico egendrete tutarelero iri kwibwatanya kabaye oyo mubwa bali bakwibwatanya mu nece semi ekyo kiraba irere konyora obugimu buyasa matuko ali busyo asamange nabwo kisi Buitrasa chinamba chitwa 0710-755-578 gose 0714-673-963 Pink Premier Academy asubu wibuko chakira iliyoko kwa ankyo yao engia.
Chuo cha anuai cha Rirage Technical na Vocational College sasa kinawatangazia usajili wa mwezi Januari au January intake. Inatoa mafunzo katika vitengo kadhaa kama vile automotive engineering, electrical engineering power option ambapo unahitimu kwa viwango vya diploma au certificate. Katika electrical installation pia wana vitengo zaidi katika kosi hii. Mechanical engineering ambapo ufunzo wa production, wiring, fabrication na crafts na zingine nyingi. Hairdressing na beauty au ususi na utunzi wa nywele na ngozi, fashion and design. Ufunzo kuunda nguo za kisasa. Pia ujifunza embroidery, tie and dye, print, party and pattern drafting. Njoo ujifunze sasa. Applied science, global studies. Wako na kitengo cha kufunza ukulima ambapo wanafunzi wanajifunza ukulima na ufugaji. Kusajili au intake inaendelea. Katika kosi zote hizi una fursa ya kuhitimu na diploma au certificate. Rirage Technical na Vocational College ipo Kigugi Marani, kilomita 1 tu kutoka barabara kuu kutoka Kisii kuelekea Miruka. Wakufunzi wana tajriba kuu, pia wamehitimu kulingana na sheria za Wizara ya Elimu na TVET. Malipo ya karo ni chini ya udhamini wa serikali kuu au government capitation. Pia unaweza pata mkopo wa serikali wa Higher Education Loans Board HALB. Wana bweni safi au hostel Airtel. Kwa mengi zaidi, tutembelea katika tovuti yetu www.riragia.tbc.ac.ke. Riragia Technical Vocational College, umechelewa kujiunga nasi. Exile Elementary School nigo egokurariria ayo mwiburi amangana mayanga nubwatelibaga yo kubika umunu ase skuru egokoria byagwetana skuru ndiyonsi asorogongorega skuru yiga nigo egotoka ase a junction ya Nyamate para ya Mugunga kogenda Kilgoris. Skuru yiga nebwate a school band, a science lab, a computer lab, ECDE classes kukorabare obasombi kuruanka gwika eskuru na kureskuru gwikanka mbabwate ibirasi bya sign language, mbabwate boigo French na boigo ase ebekire na sagia asabana bakwegerera tibwe bangambabwate junior secondary asamange bakire sima ase namba 0722 768-474 Gosem 0100-774318. Exile Elementary School, no mwanu atakeire.
Welcome to Exile Comprehensive School, a school with purpose, a school with vision and on a mission. To our esteemed parents, we thank you for the support you have given us so far to this point. As the year ends, we urge all of you to be part of Exile. Come on, come on.
Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology yine skuru enene yekuru maigilio yebirengo ao asekeliagia artisan certificate na diploma asikosi ao nkwigilia bali chikosi buna addressing gosekorosia na kumina chitukia beauty therapy yubwate kaine ogo chabira chinyenche ni chintere na kubika obulembo asomobere mbabwate electrical installation gose wiring wasomorkiwa akwigira akwigika na korosia omulero nebintu binde buna chi radio ne chi TV gose electronics imeya Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology nkwegelia bali boigo ekosi ya information and communication technology yumorokiwa aganirgo twara edi plain ase certificate na boigo AC- ase edi diploma chikosi chindengamona secretarial studies journalism and mass communication fashion design and dressmaking social work and community development tour guiding management plumbing and pipe fitting computer packages cake making music production nechinde chinyinge minyoka igobago tuka asamaga atwin stars lirongolia gatano na gatatu ime yomocho bosongo tweba babwate inteka yakera omotenyi asechi kosi chinke chia short courses na boigo chiria chia technical asamange bakere ase enamba enoti isano na ibere isano na isato inye isano nemo isato nemo kianda isato gose enoti isano na ibere enoti isano na ibere isato emo inye ibere. Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology omogoko bwechisemi.
Uyagima mwanchumo rigali nende karibu tugendere o sanga amo ase umururu wetu ni yagatembe na ase ente baga ase amagazeti ao ime yense ya Kenya kolende litangana gima abagani baito spora nyariki uyure omumanyi bwa mangana ya kebirengero go psychologists naboigo Mariga Irene uyure omworokia nande omwosemia gwe bali goikirana ime ya studio neto cyangwa batokorigereria igoro ya okorenda abana komoso abana bali amagaza na teenagers chinga kijiga chierusa entambe eyuegendete gwechikokora gosegokora omutinyo kabire bono ase school nyuma je school chitarigorwa chigo chikogorwa omwaka onde gosigikendangani iyo mwaka gocha igo sipora nyariki na Mariga Irene gwechibareko bagusanga amana into ebirengero byabo igoro yechinjira ao chigo chikwenda kyabuna sere gocho chikwenda kyabuna abana bali bakurunga teenagers kunyara bali bakonyora obasemia na kunyara kaba bagwetanga na mangana ao ime iye chinga kibagendete no motimoko omwerusa entambe kolende tugere na sensa ya magazeti ya Standard tugolia lero nigo talibaga igoro gotenga Ruto's new strategy hurts middle class na emirobeli yugosebirangara biyine emirobeli miye murayibwense Omutske William Ruto nigere ekorekana gochikomisa bali gatigati ase amangana akurukunga ya uchumi bakurunga middle class ko bali babugate ebintu biyere igatwa ase gotabanga President Ruto's shift to a pro agenda raises questions amid economic strain on Kenya's middle class with the new taxes and a ballooning cost of living. Many middle income earners feel sidelines as his administration focuses on the most vulnerable. Na nigo serikali ya Ruto eligete mono abali batabuga batari kwenyara pi ase egazeti yo naboigone rirweteri baga gotenga questions over SHA recruitment na amid a crowd of controversies the SHA leadership has appointed 24 senior officials to key roles raising transparent concerns over hiring nga chinjira abantu banyatuka bakanyore mirimo kuwa mono chiobisi chinene gosobotenere barne bwekombegi ya SHA nigo Kenya ko korete birangere binge ase abakenya asa muri mange agenda kuboli go gaseti ya The Standard abo gaseti yunige gukwaniranga state wants oil pipeline extended abo gukwaniranga tomatoes and cooking oil prices go up this all day nganyanya hamo na maguta yo gukaranga nigo akinirigori omuchinga kechiga chi erusa gosinga ketu chikwanda ase emega ao na yo negaseti ya Standard negaseti ya The Star negatabanga Raila has Southern Africa in AU's contest to win the position a candidate needs 2/3 majority from 55 member states na Raila bono gibrenga bya nigebire chinze chiri chia area nyigo se South African nations ase ebirengere bya ebirenga na chialigereti elinde anyaraka bagakonyora ogosirwa korwa ase chinsemecho na boigo ase gaseti ya The People ni kwantenga inside stadium construction scandal nga nigo bokurumi wana ketu igoro bwagachibwe stadium ayune gaseti ya The People iyo kwanreta boigo nga schools of shame damning reports expose institutions facing serious lapses in accountability and transparency due to unsupported expenses and irregular procurement ngaigo chiskuru njirabu chibwate ase skuru ya Masibo isa skuru hebekire munema yabo ase bekire sebcheju nabo igo why being a doctor is a thankless job kinekaranga nakaloke ile libaga ase gaseti ya The People nabo igo Nyamira Hosts Minnesota nga Nyamira iyo kwandego ya X-ray Mumanyi oyo onyal tekoba gagotarira chinsemo chenyamira gosole ase chinsemo chegusia setaro yaje ya okwera nangama gayoko bwakero kyobo representative ime ye chinsemo chia America kuba mono chinsemo chiri chia Minnesota University ya The People Daily tokwera na segaseti ya Daily Nation nero again tokedeli bakime gotenga shift creates two classes of Kenyans. As grievances pile up over the system, including protests about a minimal settlement of medical expenses by the Social Health Authority and limited benefits for most Kenyans, civil servants are not only getting priority treatment in facilities, but are also enjoying unlimited cover. nga nigekoreka n'omurubero igo onyareka bokobakana abakenya ase chinsemo ibere ase mbali bali bakonyora okonyora kwa igoro kurwase omurubero osha nane bali bakonyora okonyora wense kurwase omurubero yo nebechi ya kane enyatakaba gekwanira igoro ya amangana yosha Antegatenga civil servants enjoy unlimited cover as other Kenyans struggle with the transition from the National Health Insurance Fund to the Social Health Insurance Fund. Buno Antegatenga atagrensi gotabanga kali mirimo bali bale chi mirimo ne bunya tukawe kwana chibesa chiri bakonyara bakonyora se kwana tefu asumubekanonga. As you are aware, the extension of the civil servant scheme will elapse at the end of this year. Subsequently, the State Department for Public Service, in consultation with other stakeholders, has resolved that the Public Officers Medical Scheme Fund be established effective from January 1st, 2025. The fund shall be administered by SHA, which has been mandated to provide a benefit package equivalent to the comprehensive medical insurance cover for civil servants. Uyo ningwana ya Amos Gatecha igoro ya omorobeli yosha omogimosha. Naboigo pechi ya kabire nigekwantinga war on grafting. 2 MCs and 2 ex-governors set to face churches. Mo jumbe we county was Ndigishu Gladys Paul Shorey. Naboigo omobunge usomo jumbe we bunge usomo jumbe Bungoma Catherine Wambirianga. Naboigo omo governor mokoro we county ya Wajia Mohamed Mahmoud. Naboigo omo governor mokoro we county Elgeyo Marakwet Alex Torigos. Abune gati yali bakwana ile asepechi ya kabire bali pa kagerego chikoigorerwa ama mocho wasego chikosoerwa kubatikana amo nobokurumi. EACC has forwarded a total of 47 files to the DPP with recommendations for prosecution. A total of 32 million Kenyan shillings were transferred to the former Wajir governor, his wife and daughter between November 2017 and December 2020. Negasiali yo omo governor yasoreire Mr. Turgos, your former governor Elgeyo Marakwet is facing prosecution over conflict of interest and procurement irregularities amounting to at least 1.75 million paid to Copcom Petroleum Limited, a company associated with him. Investigations revealed that Mr. Turgos and his partner, who worked with the county government as political advisor, incorporated KPL on August 19, 2011. Na boigo karibirenga bya gentokoligwa na boigo ase nige ukwana investigation established that upon a receipt of 530 million by the 12 companies, a total of that 2 million was transferred to former Wajir governor, his wife and daughter na mamocho ya Mohamed Mahmoud Nerabe kirabo na ase ensemo yaye Gladys Paul Shorey and our counterpart Catherine Wambirianga. EACC wants Ms. Bose, who is also the National Assembly Deputy Speaker, prosecuted over alleged irregularities in the procurement of a full furnished residential property for the Chief Justice. She is among 7 suspects. The Commission wants charged with 2 counts of abuse of office, 1 count of engaging in a project without prior planning, and 3 counts of willful failure to comply with the law and applicable procedures relating to tendering of contracts. Anegasiamo mocho alibabekire abo bane batagerwe chikoigorerwa ama mocho gosoko chikosoerwa ase na koikubo sibwe kambiro ase pechi yu ya kabiro bogone kwantenga XDO grabbed 300 million plot near Mombasa State House enanige ukwanira igoro ya SA Justice Madeka of the Environment and Land Court anyatagaba gago tukutarale title deed anyatagwe kurogo chiase Edward Mwangi Irungu, saying the property was illegally allocated to him in 1997. Nebechi ya kabire mwanchomo ligerali bechi ya gatatu ni kwante igoro ya Doctor's Plan Nairobi demo today ahead of strike. Nga abanyagitari gweterasi kimbugia KMPDU niko barobereti kogenda gosokorobekana litukolya rero ase chinsemo chia Nairobi magiga yo kwarigania gose kuria ira buna niko barachi kugenda omugiro bwa mirimo ase amatuka makare mutu gosochi tarike 22 chiomo tienyoiga kubatikana manakiri bagatanga serikali tirabage kuigwa ibirero byabo na kuba muno tirabage gwikirania ebirengereri byabo na igo tiraba gekonyara kabage ko wachipika gose gekonyara kabage kubeka amasira yabo mutu. The strike is in the protest gose the strike is in protest of various grievances including poor working conditions, delayed salaries, pay cuts, and particularly the plight of medical interns who have faced significant financial challenges. Nebechi gatatobo igekwante mwengi mtuse omajumbe we bunge ya Kibwesi hoyo nyatukaba gakabera so mustari mutu kagima kumurusia bisi omokonyi bumura bwenso muskeri gathi gashagwa asanya kwa gatangani galiererwe ira gujoko enekeligwa amagendero aiguru muno kubatikana amo no mukioye go kumurusia bisi omoske rigathi gashagwa asanya kabaga kwa enekeligwa ngani garach koroterwa chipara agati amagendero ande ime ye bunge yo ya Kibwesi. Oigo se ebeche ya kana nige kwantenga police posts impromptu fist exposes wrote in stations nga omo nyanyimbo omo nendo kosomo inspector general of police Douglas Kanja niganya takabaga kotalira ate gagutarira ti ebitaseni by'abanyanyimbo ase anyata kabaga konyoranga nigo chi ebitaseni ebyagati yabo bire ase birenge bimono asabo litinga. How do you explain that a station commander can work in a dirty police station with no light and overgrown bushes? Ayo negati abire anyata kabaga konyora bigendo kole kabwa sakatanga. Some things don't require money. For example, cleaning the police station. Where we find a dirty police station, the commanders in that area must be prepared to give an explanation. Ngaigo chi nanyotenga ati gose gati egataseni kekamo kiaboni go kialengege chafu kerage sanya tukabaga kuru a warning mna gendomne kingibu antikoniki wa ase egataseni kiabanya nyimbo na boigo ase epechi ya gatano nige kwana nga this where you have failed Kenyans aba rwaneli babane bomanyabantu ko activist nigo banya na rwanyate ko bago kwanira amangana ase banyate ko bago kwana bakomochie muraibense omoske William Ruto ase bago tebanga ese banyate ko bago kwana ebirengo biri bakagerete anyaka baga kuyolia abakenya usataranya baga wikirania ebirengereri bya abakenya munanya tukawagulira ira asabanya tukawagwana. We must stop the spirit of negativity. We cannot allow falsehood and propaganda to tarnish our nation. This country will not fail. I sympathize with the naysayers and the negative individuals who wish to see the nation fall. I urge Kenyans to reject slander, gossip and propaganda from those who do not want the country to move forward. We will transform this nation. Yunengwana yomuraiwenso muskebiri Ruto ibenya tukaba gagwiraniria ase bali bagente ko bakumuruta amagena nsa kinde ana komumwachia buna niga kurwa oburai obobe nase pechi ya gatano nalimo na nige kwanete igoro ya Anyangi Nyong'o Peter Anyangi Nyong'o murai wekiama gya ODM na boigo murai wekiama kia naki Kenya muskemata karua ase bakwanete igoro yoko bachana wechingwana gati yabo amo na gosega tia babirabo igoro ye bomo bwasmilo moja wani Kenya ase omuske Martha Karua gotebamna. I call upon my friend and brother Raila Odinga to formalize his deal with Ruto, not through a come we stay marriage, but through a proper political marriage solemnized by the registrar or political parties. Right now, what they are doing is being less than candid by occupying crucial seats that belong to the opposition in parliament, such as the Public Accounts Committee and the Public Investment Committee. She also accused Mr. Odinga of betraying her and the opposition by joining hands with the government. Yo nengwana yaye omoske Martha Karua yasanya tukaba kwirani gwa amo na omurai wekiama ya ODM amoske Anyangi Nyong'o professor asokota abuna. What we have with UDA is clearly described as broad-based government. It is practical arrangement whereby we are interested in encouraging the government in theory and the practice to represent the face of Kenya, both in personal and service. Nebirengera byabo bire baganda korwa kungusa chinsemo ao igoro yoko bwatrana kwe kiama kya ODM amo ne kiama kya UDA kusama na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Asepe jagata na kabira nige kwanete una igoro yesabali yaje omo rai gose omo kagerwa bwe obonia bwe dhapu Kamresh Patin ase gotenga from Nairobi to Harare asa nyatukaba gotarase enze ya America gosenze ya Bongereza yanya tukaba gekorwa amaboli ao na kumugania nyakaba kwenoni igoro ye dhapu iyo gotebekana enya tukaba gegosira asinjira chobo tutukanu na abwe gotebanga after sharing his image with the Golden Bag scandal, Patin had detected his ambition to Gaddafi's lofty dreams of the United States of Africa. Again, ekwandete igoro muna omura yoyo Kamresh Patin nyatukaba gakoira aba Kenya gosabarai begikoro baba Kenya gwikasense ya Libya atubanya tukaba bakomira na omo daibu nse yunya gosira Gaddafi Muhammad Gaddafi atubanya tukaba bakwegwa chisawadi ao chia muna enjere ya moyo konyarakaba na kwa neke mnango bwatira na bale na boigo epechi ya gatano na gatato ya Daily Nation dige ukwande goronga governors ignore Senate summons as battle over country's billions escalate. Lawmakers are pushing for a 2 million shilling fine and arrest of country forces for ignoring invitations. Ase enyatukoyo kwananga egatia governor bali bangire gwikira na basibwe kamati ya Senate ngamona gotebanga ngamona umugavana Church Natembea bwe county ya Trans Nzoia, umugavana Professor Irel Parichok bwe county ya Bomet, umugavana Joseph Orelengo bwe county ya Kajiado, umugavana Anne Waiguru bwe county ya Kirinyaga, umugavana bwe county ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata, umugavana bwe county ya Tharaka Nithi umusike Muthomi Njuki, umugavana bwe county ya Kisii umusike Simbarati, umugavana bwe county ya Bungoma umusike Ken Lusaka, umugavana bwe county ya Marsabit Mohamed Ali na boigo umugavana bwe county ya Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro na kolengana amo nomo ukonyi bwo munyakerogo bwe kamati yoboligeri igoro yobatumiki bwechibesa was Public Accounts Committee Samson Jeragei nigo agotabuna nigo babwante kobekerwa egesure getindi alibanyaka bagwikirana abosio bwekigambirigyo ase chingwana awa chigante kurugwa igoro y'ibirengere byo neregabu ase engwana yomo nyakerogo bwe kiama gose umunyakerogo bwe kamati eyo Tueno Kachwang but agokwana parliament has acted properly within its timeline. This therefore, if there was to be a crisis, it would be a self-inflicted crisis by the Kisii county government. Abana kira kwandete igoro yo mo governor we county ya Kisii umuskapo Simba Arati yabu umuskarati chingo mo kwekanekera nyatuka bagago ikaposio obwe ekamati yo nyatuka bagwanunga. The fact that we came and brought in the documents, we were ready to continue with the report as it were, but the fact that there was that ruling, it is what we were taking precaution of so that we don't offend the constitution and the court ruling. Negati ya ebirengereri biri by'abagavana abanya tukabakorwa so kwegerera kuba mu mugavana we county ya Kisii musikepo Simbarati igoro yogo taikirana kwa yebosio obwe ekamati eyo negaseti ya the standard the nation Daily Nation ase boyge kwanete ase county gotabna aba orwa gosabarokia igatia barokia nigo bagante goika kosbagante kwa wochiskuru chirichire ime ya Bon Forest nechindege muna agara serikali erobetu kwegora chiskuru au asichense mecho abayigo aso kwenye litukulia lera hatabanga litukeligana liyo aba gose ekyombegelia ACK Electoral Commission of Kenya takwago tuterwale na abayigo aba commission abekyombe emerongebere no yamoko tuterwale gose kurusi wabese nechiribagalia ekoirwa na Independent Interim Electoral Commission of Kenya inse ya Isaac Hassan buna omo nyakerogo naboigo ne kwante igoro ya ogo preserve the rich heritage of the Luo ase epechi yo ya 14 naboigo inse international epechi 15 nemo nigotanga South Korea acting president moves to reassure allies iga magiga yo muraibu ense yugo tuguterwale gose kwa kwesiko n'ababunge. South Korea will carry out its foreign and security policies without disruption and also to ensure the South Korea-US alliance is maintained and developed steadily. Yo ni egaseti ya Nation to gendre koligereria ase egatiari aireli baga ase egaseti yo naboigo tokwirana ase ebechio mwali egaseti ya The Daily Nation nigotabanga coaching contracts Kenya works on thin ice igariga kwaneka igoro ya ogotendigwe mirimo kwaye engine flat muna omokochi bwe timu ya Harambee Stars naboigo ase nyatukabaga tabana chi contract gose emikataba eliye gosaini gati gose gobegose gati y'abakochi bali bakochi timu ya Harambee Stars nigo eri muna no muchando omonene egento kegando tego chanda egento kwerera ogo taigwana gati ye ense ya Kenya gose timu eyo amana abakochi bali bagocha bataka kwa wasewate kworokalia timu ya Harambee Stars nega seti ya Taifa Leo nero nigekwanete ase peche ndangane tanga mchadara wampa bonga points na Raila niganya tukabaga kanyora chinguru chinyinge wetera ase omuchadara oyo nyatukaba ngokoba tituko lia litko ejuma chinsemo chia Ethiopia ya wasemo chiwa Addis Ababa Ethiopia atanga maoni yanaendelea kutolewa kuhusu nani alishinda mdaharo kati ya mwaniaji wa Kenya, Djibouti na Madagascar. Raila alishindana na mpinzani wake mkuu Mohamed Yusuf wa Djibouti na Richard Landiremadurato wa Madagascar. Abayigo se pechi ya gatonike kwandete igoro ya mutuse sasa kutuzwa barabara na mutuse magayo kurusia omo konyi bo muraibu enso mokoro musikirika tikachekwa bisi ni kwa chibara naboigo timu ya Arsenal nike kwanenga yaanza kutereza na ndiko yateko ya next season. Ruto Pado anastisa mazuri yacha yune pechi ya kane asirutagante kulira una nigagende tekoroberie miroberie ya guchesa Kenya naboigo Donald Trump na rekwa gwa milioni magayo gusaririrwa Elieta na magayo guchikosoa bisi chitaliki emirongebere cyo mutienyi ogo cyo mutienyi mutangani naboigo madaktari kuandamana leo mugomo ukinukia pechi ya kabiri nige kwandetenga abanyagitari nikabara berti kogenda mugiro bwemirimo gose nikobagante kogenda lizukulira bagante kokorobekana bagante kwerobelia ko kogenda omugiro nagaiga nikabatenga Raila ase igoro yo mujadro yo nyata ko ba igoro ya Raila nikotabanga Raila asifiwa kwa kuelewa mpana na masuala ya Afrika katika mdaharo uliofanyika Ethiopia. Na ase igoro ya Mwingi Mutuse ni yotabanga kuwekwa lami barabara hii ni tunu kutoka kwa Rais Ruto baada ya kupitishwa kwa hoja ya kumtimua Gachagua nikakurushi sababu chilita chindijiko na kingango bekerwale pale yo nase peche kana mnatuje twatiga okwana Ruto nikakwegerera ngaya talimokora gostari kungena Bakenya sasa tanga sidanganye mpango wetu wa uchumi utasa matunda na sepechi ya kane bodaboda Nairobi na Mombasa waongoza kununua pikipiki za umeme. Wakongwe walia CBC mepewa usito huku ugumbaru ukitengwa na abakoro baru niko bakoreranga karo CBC gante koligeraliwa na baromba gante koligeraliwa asa masomo abo ayo majikadem na kumbaro na karo togendete igo koligerali mwanju moligerali gazeti ya Taifa Leo na pechi mweli ni gatabanga ateta mianta filio asano ikiteleza nige kwante ole chikosoli nsema mweli Shabana wafanyia KCP Vimbwanga Kisii pechi ya 10 kianda kwante igore ya Shabana mna yatakobage gwaka engoyo engija kima asanya yatakobage kubuga timu ya KCP ase ichigo libere ase AMO yani chigo libere ase bosa ase ekemina no kiende kwa kaniki rituko olia igoro asegetikia gose stadium ayo negatialia ile libaga ase amagaseti rituko lia lero na abunho togokorera enseme yo tokwera na gocha nigotokonyara kwa tokoligereria gose toko bwaterana amo na Spora Nyariki uyoro mo psychologist na boigo Mariga Irene uyoro mwaro kenande omosemia gose counselor ase togochikonara kwa tokorigereria igoro ya teenagers and the old day ngaki aba nabaiga bakunga teenagers babwente kweba wasa bwente kobe kwa chinga kire bagenda tano mutimuko omotambe go tosuka gochia.
My name is Rebecca Kirubu Amisi from Keroka Technical Training Institute from the Department of Building and Civil Engineering. In Keroka Technical, we offer courses and we prefer women to take the engineering courses such as carpentry, plumbing, masonry, land survey, science, mathematics, and mechanical engineering.
Hello everyone. I'm Emily Awanga from Keroka Technical Training Institute from Electrical Department. I would like to remind all ladies to take this course, that is electrical engineering. Since the course is marketable, if you take this course, you will have equal opportunity in the market. Welcome.
I'm urging all the ladies outside there to come to Keroka Technical Institute, whereby all women are given equal opportunities in terms of job opportunities. In Keroka, we the trainers, we are role models in the engineering departments. Because we are ladies, we know we have equal opportunities. When it comes to job employment, we are well preferred and we work much better when compared to the male students.
My name is Jacinta Auma Aita. I'm from Keroka Technical Training Institute. I am at the course of carpentry and joinery. I want to tell all ladies outside there that taking the course of carpentry and joinery gives you an equal opportunity in the market, hence bettering your life. Welcome.
I'm urging the people outside there to bring ladies to Keroka Technical, whereby we'll equip them with practical skills, knowledge that will give them chances to work outside the world, and then they can be role models when it comes to practical aspects. So kindly bring the ladies to school so that you can give them this knowledge we have and they can be able to support us. Thank you, and welcome to Keroka Technical Training Institute. We have the intake in January, and we are requesting all the ladies outside there, despite the age, despite the ethnicity you are coming from, we have equal opportunities at Keroka. Huwa tunachukua wanafunzi wote. Thank you, and welcome to Keroka.
Christa Marian Mission Hospital ni gukorera ba mentire obokoreri bwaye na koba ubuye kigima
asa Marieta ngoro kwa diuka poko no munyagitari ko rwase nyagitari ya basista ya Christa Marian bono enyagitari ya Christa Marian ngoro yere muroberi ori bokori kyabanto oswa sha ntori gwakania ko erikia sware linda lyonsi oratware na botogo konya
bono mbabwate CT scan na boigo mbabwate ensema ya ICU na high dependence unit HDU.
Jumatatu ndobwate kliniki ky'abantu balibe lisangu ekoro kwa dermatology clinic na psychiatric clinic asa abantu balibe bwato burwire bwo bongo. Juma ine ndobwate ekliniki keliki abana gekoro ku pediatric clinic na clinic y'abangina gekoro ku gynecology clinic.
Mbabwate ensema ya dialysis eyo yekerero use the latest ensema ya laboratory.
Jumatano ndobwate ekliniki kelikia surgery ase bali bakobarwa bado Jumatano iyi ntobwate clinic yabangina naba rwere bali pia babwata magana ya mauga babunekire babekire chichuma korokwa orthopedic clinic. Aramisi ntobwate medical outpatient ikorokwa MOPC eliya marwere mono mna sukari, pressure, malaria eyekoba Ramisi.
Tibweba Christmaro nebwate ambulance asa bokonyi bwa emergency usibwango.
Asaba rwere bali barwarite chinyiko ntobwate clinic kera ukigeo korwa kira omotienyo 6 asa omwaka lakini bono twachirete tamo kira omotienyo 3 onye yabanja no twakora gotokora match yende twakora omotienyo 6 oyondo omotienyo 9 asa omwaka clinic chia maino ntobwate pake ward yabana bake bali banyoreru lakini rene matuko abo taraika
patarire ase omochibo songo asa matabekani amashauri ase para ekotira korwa kisi kogenda chitangi osikima bondo
boigon tobwate ensemo ikoro ku maternity ine ensemo yabangina bali banyorera abana ose bagochikonyora abana asa abantu bali babwate megonge ko baroma bali keiru n'abanyagitari bachikokorerwa masoezi tobwate chi specialist nyagitari ito chikoro ku physiotherapist tobwate ensemo ya theater ebwate bintu ebinge nabariganiri ase nyagitari ito ya Krista Marian ni nyagitari omugusi na hinde takobwa magana yerigori incho toikanase tokwane toigwane tokonya
asamange bakire simia se namba 0720266999 gose 0791394904. St. Francis Menyinkwa Primary School na Junior School ni skuru ya Getumbe Prime Distributors gubao kumanya bunabono iga mbabwate ebintu byobwagachi aho bunabono chichuma cyobwagachi chichi company chonse chibirengo byonse chibi PC type chonse chisimiti mbabwate bunabono Rhino na Bambure mbabwate chain link type chonse boigo mbabwate ebintu byechi bathroom gose bathroom accessories bunabono chisob dish chishawa chitoilets ne chitoilet tap mbabwate chitile ao chichikara ao nebirengo ao mbabwate chimable chichikala ao mbabwate chitaya gose lightings chitype chonse mbabwate chilock chibirengo ne chitype ao mbabwate merangwa yechi size ne chitype ao mbabwate chisink chionse pia boigo mbabwate amabati chibod ao buna MDF na gypsum boards mbabwate chirangi kora crown paints na dura paints boigo mbabwate machine elia ekuburukania yakoa irangi elio tagete mbabwate chi machine ao buna bono chi power saw chi blower chi circular saw mbabwate chi helmet na boigo ebikoro tubiri by'uburendi gose safety shoes asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0717-603-030 0790-904-844 Incho Getembe Prime Distributors bwenyorere ebintu biga aserigulirigi.
Enya gitari ya Nuga Best nenya gitari yakire ngumaso gusegasigire mechando ao ya marwaire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egetekyo mogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo tukakire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatemerimende emashini ye nigo eroseranirie amariogo ayo akorokwa nano diamond tumenium ayo agotumeka ase okugwenia ale nayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole obwoigoro mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwere yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samalekao eyeko yarungeya igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imeyenya gitaliriga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse komine mo chamambya gweka chinse komine bere chambagaroba nuga best iko bagotuka imeyumo chobo songo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kisi Kisumu
ncha samalieta ngoro kwanongaki ana arwareta marwaire ara mange nkagenda chinya gitari ao korigio obogwenia egere mbwene chinya gitari narete ne chinyinga konyoro obogwenia nkaewa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbeti nkonyoro obogweni boikiranete kero nacha nuga best ngashugulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini chanuga best chimashini echinja abete chigonkonyo mogongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boigo na maroira nda manga yale ngo mubirone ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakiresini wetera sete namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia.
Hi everyone, my name is Abbas. I'm the only supplier for the orange label. It's from Canada and it's a really high quality. We bring hundreds of items in this label. We have purses, household, blouses, t-shirts, trousers, jeans, and we have number 1, number 2 at really affordable prices. And now you can get them from Mama Tefi in Kisii.
Mama Tefi Mitumba neduka enene yekonia ebinto ebinge aserigoli yensekegma mbabwate chibels au cha mitumba buna baby lights chi curtains ne chinde chinyinge echo chiri cha grade 1 kurwa sense ya Canada tibweba nkurwa bale obosemya guchese bali bagwansa obonchereri obobwa mitumba igoba gutuka ase amagacho a Imperial asense moya nyaro gose ground floor imemo chokisi.
Mimi naitwa Monica Abedo Rongo abiroka akao mzigo kwa Mama Tefi naenda nayo Rongo nauza. Mama Tefi ni mama mzuri, tumekaa naye miaka 3. Obro mi kende de usa maber, ibro yudo gi maber. Oro Mama Tefi en mama maber. Kata ionge gi minyalo uso, to bro chungi malo. Atakuinua, atakupea mzigo, utauza.
Asamange bakire esime 0727081605 voigo 0727574835 Mama Tefi Mitumba asamagoli amaya oteyagie
oyo nende Mama Tefi gachira samoro ko bakira kwanza ngambia mono asinge njumwa bwatranenera si biashara ya mitumba singa kiere ntambe nande toganderete ko bwatira namo na eno Mama Tefi gachira seri tukoli ya roko batebinga bamentire mesige menga sobonge mesigo ko Canada ne mesige nde ko China teli ko bwati ngambesa kyo bwate chirio bwate neba ni 1500 neba ni 5000 incho se Mama Tefi Mitumba elinda nyale ko bagako bawo basemi wa mitumba.
HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumika chimashini chinkongo asukumuleka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure, arthritis, cancer, chinyigo, imichando